Yamaha has just pulled the covers off its 2026 motocross and off-road lineup, and leading the charge is the highly refined YZ450F. Among the updates across the range, the YZ450F sees the most significant improvements, with updates to its engine, frame, suspension, and electronics designed to boost control, responsiveness, and rider confidence. The heart of the 2026 YZ450F remains a 450cc liquid-cooled DOHC 4-stroke engine, featuring many of the same high-performance components as before, including 39mm titanium intake valves, a forged aluminum piston, and a dry sump lubrication system. However, Yamaha has overhauled the intake system to deliver a more linear throttle response and better power control, especially in the low to mid-range. As a result, the engine now offers revised torque characteristics, giving the YZ450F a slightly different feel that may appeal to riders looking for smoother delivery across varied terrain. Adding to rider comfort and ease of use is a new hydraulic clutch for smooth, consistent engagement with less effort, while eliminating the need for on-track adjustments. Yamaha has also reworked the exhaust system to reduce noise levels. A centrally mounted resonator and a new, lower-angled muffler help bring down the volume while maintaining performance. At the intake end, an additional resonator and redesigned ducting on the air cleaners support the new engine characteristics. The YZ450F features a redesigned frame structure with changes to the inner layout and thickness of the down tubes. Bilateral asymmetric engine mounts have been introduced to tweak the frame's torsional rigidity, aiming to strike a better balance between stiffness and compliance for improved handling. In the suspension department, Yamaha teamed up with KYB to develop a new rear shock and revised fork settings. The new components are engineered to reduce harsh bump feedback and improve damping consistency over rough terrain. A standout addition is the hand-adjustable low-speed compression clicker on the rear shock, making it easier to fine-tune the ride trackside. To give riders more stability under heavy acceleration, Yamaha fitted a new seat with a honeycomb textured surface to reduce rearward sliding. Combined with the upgraded chassis and suspension, this change adds another layer of rider confidence and control in aggressive conditions. The 2026 YZ450F also includes a new ECU lock feature for added security. Riders can use Yamaha's Power Tuner app to set a password that must be entered before the engine can be started, deterring unauthorized use. The app also retains its tuning capabilities for adjusting fuel and ignition settings to suit individual rider preferences or track conditions. Visually, the bike sees modest changes. New bodywork includes a slimmer front number plate, redesigned two-piece side panels, and an updated rear fender. Graphics are sharper, with horizontal line accents and classic YZ speed block designs. For those who appreciate a retro touch, Yamaha is offering a 70th anniversary edition in classic white and red factory racing colors. The 2026 Yamaha YZ450F will be available in Team Yamaha Blue starting August 2025 with an MSRP of $10,299. The special 70th anniversary edition will hit dealerships in October 2025, priced at $10,499. With a focus on refinement, performance, and rider confidence, the new YZ450F is built to lead the pack, both on the trail and at the track.